Wait, what are you gonna do?
Do this.
Oh, what are those called?
Crunches.
Okay, show me how.
Ow. Oh.
Show me how you do a crunch. You're so crazy. Show me a crunch. Show me another crunch. Show me a real crunch.
Mom, it's the workout center.
Mom, you can lie down.
You're so full of yourself.
Oh, why'd you eat all these?
Do a crunch.
Mom, did you eat all these?
No.
You sure did.
Huh?
Oh, wait, Jake's gonna do a crunch.
No, I'm not. Because he'll start crying because I can do them better than him.
Why'd you eat all these, Jake?
I didn't. Mom did.
Did you eat all of them?
No, watch out so Jake can show me his crunch.
Oh.
Show me. Do one so Matthew will do one.
Oh, Matthew, do a crunch. Matthew, do a sit-up.
Hi, Boo.
Oh, Mom, what happened?
Andrew, do you know any workout routines? Jake broke it.
Huh?
I do.
Why'd you break this? Ah!
Do a sit-up.
Why'd you break this?
Matthew, sit down and do a
Don't
sit-up.
throw this thing in your garbage.
Well, just put it in his trash.
See? That's all I gotta do.
Okay, lay down and you and Jake do sit-ups together.
Alright.
Watch out, jump on him.
No.
Yes. Jump on you.
Stop.
And jump right here.
Okay, good.
Mom, watch this.
I'm gonna slap you when you come down.
Uh,
Hurry, do a sit-up. Like I do.
Drew. Andrew.
What are you doing?
Doing some work. I'm doing some work.
Oh, no, step on me.
This is the slide.
It's a slide.
It's the slide that throws you off. Hey, Matthew, show Mom how you do the weights. Bring it here.
Oh, not by the baby, though.
Come over here.
Nice. You're really good at that.
Oh, wow. You're a little close to the baby, dude.
Wow.
Look. I can't do it.
Let me see him. I can go like this. Oh, yeah. Let me see him. That's it. Bring it here.
Oh, don't move the one by the baby, okay? Okay, let's see it, Jake. Let's see it.
Mama, please. I gotta loosen up.
No.
Come on, let's see it.
Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Look at Andrew.
Here we go.
Oh, Andrew is looking at himself in the mirror and you surprised him.
Okay, here we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, watch out.
Feel
Andrew.
it burn.
You're crazy.